Hey everyone, I am Mr. Helper. In today's video, I am going to show you how to change your VLC media player default language. It is pretty simple. Simply open your VLC media player, click on Tools, then Preferences, and right over here Language. It is auto at the moment. So to change it, simply select your language. For an example, I am going to select this one. Click on Save, and now restart your VLC media player. Let me show you my VLC media player language has been changed or not. And as you can see, my language has been changed completely. To get back to the same language, simply move your mouse over Tools, then Preferences, and select the language. You can select auto, you can select American English, or there will be a British English also. Here it is. Simply select the language, click on Save, and restart your VLC media player. As you can see, it's been changed again. So that's all for today. Thank you for watching my video. I hope you find this video informative. Click on like button to show me your support. Comment below if you are having any questions regarding this video. I will try my best to help you. Share this video with your friends and family members, whoever you like to share. It is totally free. And at last, make sure to subscribe my channel for more videos like this, as well as press that bell button so that you get notified whenever I make new videos for you. And one more thing, please do visit my website, which is www.iammrhelper.com. Link is in the description box below. All the social website links are in the description box below, so always check the description. So until then, take care, have a nice day, and I will see you next time. Bye.